On the off chance that you're searching for long money cost expectations gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to sort of know where the costs of long money YFI will especially go from here on out. We will really break down the past costs of generally long money YFI, and we'll figure out what specialists essentially are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, certainly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each extremely other forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts amazingly. Also foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unthinkable in an unobtrusive manner. However, we will especially make an honest effort, which is very critical. We should for the most part begin long money past value examination as per the kind of the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of long money is $19,924.09, and YFI is presently position number 96 in the whole crypto environment, or so they thought. The flow supply of long money in a real sense is 36,638, with a market cap of $729,973,321. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the long money's cost generally has shown a decent increment of 3.2% as of now, which is genuinely huge. For most recent 7 days, the YFI was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.37%, which is very huge. Long money in a real sense has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be decent an open door to explicitly dive right in and explicitly contribute. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the ongoing cost and recent days cost history, it is seen that generally long money has expanded 53.671% in its worth, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The typical certainly lease cost for the month is $8,909.11, while greatest especially normal cost was $9,230.69 amazingly. This suggests that this coin truly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to decently your arrangement of coins for long haul. The 90 days cost change is around 61.85%, and the cost essentially circled from a sort of least typical cost of $7,191.92 to most extreme normal cost of $7,751.14 in the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months, long money has shown a developing pattern incredibly. Consequently, we in every practical sense feel that comparative pieces of the market really were very famous at that period. As indicated by the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of long money basically is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost. The coin is up by 73.02%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around $5,539.05. And the base typical cost of most certainly was around $5,453.01 in beyond 4 months in a significant way. We most certainly anticipate future long money cost expectations YFI estimate by applying fundamentally profound man-made brain power, helped specialized investigation on the genuinely past value information of long money, which is genuinely critical. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the YFI coin, which incorporate really different boundaries like past cost, long money market cap, generally long money volume, and not many more incredibly. In the event that you truly are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and basically need very great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Long money value expectation 2023. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the cost of for the most part long money is certainly anticipated to reach at least degree of $22,746.79, which is genuinely huge. The YFI cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $25,227.81, with the typical exchanging cost of $23,543.76, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Long money value expectation 2024. The cost of long money basically is anticipated to really reach at any rate worth of $33,364.84 in 2024. The long money cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $40,048.80. with the typical exchanging cost of $34,542.03 all through 2024. In an unpretentious manner, YFI value estimate for 2025 long money cost basically is conjecture to fundamentally arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $47,015.94 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the YFI cost could arrive at a greatest genuinely conceivable degree of $57,959.62, with the typical estimate cost of $48,743.05. Long money YFI value forecast 2026. The cost of one long money essentially is supposed to reach at least degree of $69,069.06 in 2026. The YFI cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $81,798.49, with the typical cost of $71,506.22 all through 2026. In an unpretentious manner, long money value expectation 2027. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2027, the cost of long money is supposed to especially reach at the very least value worth of $97,338.25. The YFI cost can, in a real sense, arrive at a most extreme value worth of $121,921.88, with the typical worth of $100,913.56. Long money value expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of YFI in 2028, the cost of especially long money is anticipated to reach at least degree of $147,377.45 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. The YFI cost can basically arrive at a most extreme degree of $172,622.62, with the typical exchanging cost of $152,423.13 in a significant manner, which is very critical. Long money YFI value forecast 2029. The cost of essentially long money is anticipated to truly reach at least degree of $221,914.24 in 2029, which really is very huge. The long money cost can generally arrive at a fundamentally most extreme degree of $260,697.55, with the truly normal cost of $228,011.17 all through 2029. As opposed to prevalent thinking, which is very critical. Long money value gauge 2030. Certainly long money cost is